where I want my forehead today. Well, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is featuring a new wig from Sensationnel. But before we get into this pre-cut synthetic wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this wig is from Sensationnel. It is a brand new butter lace pre-cut unit 2. I also have unit 1, so if you guys want to see me try that one on, let me know down below. But today we're keeping it simple with the kinky straight. Y'all, she feel real good. This is what that hairline is looking like. Nothing crazy. Like I said, it is pre-cut lace and it's straight across. Sensational say, you know what? I'm gonna give you a head start. You're not getting a whole bunch of jagged motions going up in there. You may want to go in and take some out yourself. It has the elastic band in the wig. You got the center lace part, 2 combs on the side of the part, and then you have the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And like I said, the elastic band already attached in the wig. We're gonna put that on and see if it can fit around my head. Y'all know my head is big every day, okay? 23 gang gang. But we're gonna see if she gonna fit. Let me go ahead and get this wig on my head because I'm trying to have a little date night when the kids go to sleep with hubby. We're gonna watch Baby Reindeer. My cousin Paris told me about it. Hey Pooh, she said it's pretty good so far. I'm pretty sure it's about a stalker. I don't know, but I like those kind of shows. Not for the enjoyment, just to see how, you know, crazy some people are. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze, and I'm gonna tap that around the hairline to tint that lace up real nice. I'm pretty sure this is HD lace, so we may not have no trouble blending, but you know, we're gonna see. No lace to cut, just put it on my head. Oh, she is ashy. Get some of that product out. I'm gonna have to use my contour to tint this down. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to cut lace, these are perfect for you, but you will need to fix up that line of demarcation because she's showing, okay? Let me just clip her back real quick. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold it down. I'm gonna wear the hair straight out so I ain't too worried about the sides. I forgot, this is not a human hair wig. I need a band. I gotta get one that doesn't have a name on it. All right, let me brush this hair back. See how we sitting. These baby hairs are long, child. I don't need all that. Gotta try to hide that lace a little bit. Wrap it down. Uh-oh. You know what? Let me do my makeup real quick. Let me get my brush. Brush this hair out. This wig will eventually tangle just because of the length and the texture. And I am getting some tangles toward the ends. Shedding a little bit. Let's check out this hairline real quick. See what we can do to it. Flip it back off my face. Let's take out the handy dandy contour with my brush. Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. This is sold out pretty much everywhere, but you can use any contour stick. How do I keep getting this on my nail? How in the world did I do that? Get some water on there. So if my nail look dirty, I wash my hands, okay? It's the makeup. Gonna put some on my brush. I'm gonna tap it on the paper and then tap it around the hairline. I am going to trim up these hairs because they're too long for me. Let's just take my razor. I'm going to cut just like that. Not too much, just a little bit. Let me brush what I'm not using. All right, I'm going to take some of my melt spray, Esha melt spray. I'm just going to spray it right here across the front. I just want the extra melt. I mean, I can wear this glueless. I know I can, but I don't want to today. Right across the front, nothing heavy. Use your products to your advantage. Not everything has to be glueless if you don't want it to be glueless. I know some of y'all be asking me what other sprays can you use. You can use Got To Be, and I was using the other product, what was it, Eben? But I found out some things about Eben. We ain't rocking with Eben no more, at least I'm not. Long story short, they are allegedly not messing with the skin folk in the corporate spaces. I ain't rocking with that, so they can have it. Brush it back slightly just to get the hairline the way I need it to go. Is my wig crooked? I feel like it's crooked. Where I want my forehead today. Let's put her there. Now for the front, let me put all this away. I've been doing real good, clean up my space as I go, because once I'm done, I'm ready to go lay down somewhere. Let me see how long these layers are real quick. My hair is not flat in the back. We gonna act like we don't see it, okay? Where do I want the layers to be? I just want them to be a little shorter, not by much. Get my brush, twist it up like this, cut it down at an angle like that, okay? Heat safe up to 350 to 400, so let's put it on the third one. Ooh, the heat is coming, the heat is coming. Just cut a little bit. I don't want it to be a blunt cut, so I'm just taking a little bit more off the front. Ooh, maybe this will help the tangles on the end. I don't want it to melt my wig. Okay, it is synthetic. If your funds don't accommodate the human hair budget just yet, work with these synthetic joints. Make sure I get my ends. Get in there, get in there. Smooth it down, brush it out again. Ooh, I done got my kitchen, child. Whoa, hold it for a second, flatten that down. I'm gonna use my contour again, right up in here. Put a little makeup in my parting space. Why is it so much lighter in the middle? I don't know. Let me see, do I need some contour on it? There we go. Color correct that. I'm gonna put a little grease on here just to help with the flyaways. I don't want too much of a shine, just wanna lay it down. Ooh, the hair is actually softer too. Glasses over the lace, and we are done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. I didn't put the joint behind my ear because it came with a little sideburn action. I ain't tinted. Let me just do a little bit. See through there? I'll fix it later. Right now, I don't care. I just wanted to give a little look tonight. So, what do we think? She not bad. Even though it is HD lace and you can blend it, because of that line of demarcation, you're gonna need to melt that down to get it to kind of sit flawlessly. I could just go in and cut like little zigzags in there, but I didn't want to do all that right now. I wanted to just put the wig on my head and go. I mean, that's kind of how it's advertised, as you know, a pop on and go. So I did a little something, okay, just to get my wig together. But other than that, you know, she looking good. Now, the one thing that I do like about synthetic wigs, it pretty much comes pre-styled. It don't stink. They're always a nice option for the wig baes. If you are a true wig bae, you know the synthetic wigs will take you a long way. Now, based on the texture, okay, and the length, she's not gonna be play. I can clip her up though. You can fix the tangles for sure, brush her out, and then press her out, and you should be, you know, pretty much ready to go. If you don't have, where's it at? Hold up. I got a new one, but this is my old one. If you don't have this silk spray, get it. The light silk spray will help pop your wigs back together and get them back to what they were before. I've also heard of people using the silicone mix on their synthetic wigs, wetting it, putting that on it, let it sit, and then rinse it out, and then blow dry the wig. I haven't tried that yet. Maybe next time I will with this one. But outside of that, you know, just trim your tangles out if you want to, or, you know, buy a new one. Now that I pressed her out, she real soft. Still got little tangles on the end, but not as much as I did before. That hot comb really helped. Let me turn that off. I'm about to burn this place down. I didn't really need to cut mine in the front, but I feel like it gave me a more, you know, leveled out look around my face. So, you know, that's kind of why I did it, and I like it. So, you know, I ain't mad at it. Sensational. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.